Okay, we are discussing today about labor. You know very well in the last chapter materials. Materials forms a substantial portion of total cost of production of any product, and at the same time, the second major element of cost is labor. And today we are going to discuss about how the wages are being calculated based on. We have four methods of calculation of wages. That is Halsey premium plan, Rowan plan, and Melrick plan, and Taylor plan. In this, so today we are going to discuss about Halsey premium plan and Rowan plan in this short video. So Halsey premium plan and Rowan plan, both these methods are very simple methods. They are based on the time taken by the worker and hourly rate. So this total earnings is nothing but simply total time taken by the worker with the hourly rate plus, and at the same time the bonus will be given to the workers, those who completed the work within the standard time. If this bonus is not being given, what happens? The inefficient, that means who takes more time, will get more earnings, and those who complete within the short and standard time will get less salary. That's why the Halsey Rowan plan and Halsey premium plan Rowan plan based on simply earnings plus bonus. So I will explain the formulas first. Total earnings based on Halsey premium plan equal T into R. That means time taken into hourly rate plus bonus. Bonus is being calculated in the Halsey plan with this following formula. That is percentage. Maybe actually the percentage, there is no clear cut rule. Nothing is mentioned. 50% may be taken, but Halsey recommended 33% to 66% of bonus for every person who completed the work within the standard time. So here the formula is T into R plus percentage, maybe 50% or 33, 60% based upon the problem, and S minus the standard time minus time taken by the worker into hourly rate. I have given here T means actual time taken, R means hourly rate, S means standard time. So total earnings under Halsey plan and Rowan plan same, that is T into R plus bonus, T into R plus bonus. But bonus is being given by the Rowan with a proportionate share in the standard time, the proportionate share in the standard time. For this, he has given a new formula for calculation of bonus, that is time saved by S, that means standard time into T means actual time taken into R, that is rate per hour. So apart from this, both the problems, both the methods are similar. So you understand these both the methods by an example. I have taken example for the convenience of video. I have worked out the problem. Okay, see here the problems. Calculate the total earnings of workers under Halsey premium plan and Rowan plan. So the standard time is 15 hours and the time taken is 10 hours. And rate per hour is rupees 3 per hour. So now we see how Halsey total earnings are different from Rowan plan. So you know very well the formula. According to Halsey plan, the total earnings equal to T into R plus percentage into S minus T into R. So T means that the time taken by the worker is 10 hours, and the rate per hour is 3 rupees per hour, and percentage are taken 50% because nothing is mentioned in the problem under Halsey plan. 50% is taken. 50% means 0.50, and S means standard time given 15 hours. T means actual time taken by the worker is 10 into rate is 3. So 10 into 3, 30 plus 50% means 0.50. 15 minus 10, 5 into 3, 50. That is 30 plus 50. 50% of 50, that is 7.5. 37.5 is the total earnings, total wages under Halsey. And when you come to Rowan plan, 10 into 3, 30 is the same. The bonus is something different. The bonus formula you know very well. Time saved by standard time into actual time taken into rate. So time saved is actually standard time given 15 and actual time taken is 10, means the time saved by this worker is 5 hours into actual time taken 10 into rate 3 by 15. So this 15 into 5 into 3 15. So I write off, and 10 into 3 30 into 10. So 40 rupees is the total earnings under program plan. So these are the simple problems.